Hey folks, it's me Ivars, and today we are starting our journey to make a horror game with zero budget from scratch. So make a new project using Unity's built-in rendering system. And let's make the UI. Create a canvas, buttons, and two panels. Make sure canvas is set to scale with the screen size. Import all the assets I'm gonna be using so you can follow along. Links will be in the description. Just assign UI textures. As you can see, for the play button we need to switch to the difficulty panel and be able to switch back. We can do that using two scripts and a back button on the difficulty panel. Once you get this, you can switch to the scene for actual game level. I will use the button hard as an example. If you haven't, I highly recommend you to watch lessons 3 and 4 in the development series where I go over these scripts. Make sure you add both scenes into the build. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.